Dot Necessities is a collection that we're showcasing right now, spring of 2020, and it's just a fun, exciting, dot-focused collection. Lots of different colorations, and here's a project that's kind of fun for it. Biscuit quilts. Remember those from the 70s? They're back. So we're doing it. We're calling it poof quilts, and it's quite easy, but it gives it a nice baby kind of thing. You can make masks out of these. Lots of fun projects. These are all multis. If you look, you can see in the dots, I've got the multi in the dots. It's a double chop application. So you've got your lighter dot on top, and it kind of blends in to the background with your multi on that one. We've got a flat application as well as a typical batik application with the soda and the smoking effect on here. Mix it with any of your batiks and see what kind of projects you can come up with.